Hi there, I don't know about you, but I'm honestly not a big fan by the fact that the Comet browser is not showing the full URL or the page that you are seeing. Now, technically, you can still click or hover above the address bar and it will reveal the full link or the page. But honestly, I've been using Google Chrome for years and I'm not quite familiar nor comfortable with this kind of behavior on the browser. But fortunately, there is a way to actually make this address bar to behave in a similar way as in Google Chrome, so it will always display the full URL or the page. So here's how you can change the setting. First, you can navigate to the setting right here, and after that go to appearance and then click always show full URLs. Just click this toggle button and now the full link or the full URL is always displayed on the address bar, just like in Google Chrome. So that's basically how you can change the setting. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on my next video.